Alright, so here's a project I'm working on for Mother's Day. Got these leaves and petals. And I'm building 2 roses. Hopefully I got enough parts. It's just aluminum. I cut it out with tin snips. It was a little thicker than I had planned, and put them in the parts tumbler. That only did so much, so then I had to angle grind the edges, and I used the rotary tool to clean them up a little bit. It took me a long time, but the parts look pretty good, in my opinion. And here's the roses up close. And I'm just gonna have to tack those up. And we'll get to that when we get to that. I got a video coming soon. It's probably just gonna be another time lapse of this build process, but figured I'd make one with my phone real quick, just showing kind of where I'm at right now and the progress going up here. Gonna be using the Sunstack TIG welder. It's down there. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Shout out to my subscribers. Appreciate y'all. Help me try to support my channel. If you want, I got links in most of my videos that supports my channel. So thank you. Thanks for watching. And leave a comment about what you want to see, or if you got any questions. Trying to make that YouTube. So, all right, y'all. Thanks. Peace out.